Is that a bug? A bug flew out of my Cartier box. Now this is black luxury to me. Fashion Fair was like the first makeup company that catered to black women and women of color, and their packaging is luxe. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a huge collective luxury haul. I have some bags, some accessories, and a couple beauty products to show you guys. So I've got some things from Cartier, or as we say in America, Cartier, Gucci, and Chanel, and a few other brands. But yeah, let's just hop right in. Okay, so this bag is the classic bag. So many people hate on this bag and they say that these are tacky. Like, excuse me? No, this is the Louis Vuitton. It's Louis, we call it Louis Vuitton. But yeah, the Louis Vuitton neverfull. This is the MM bag. Louis Vuitton has actually discontinued the PM bag, which is crazy because it's, you know, some people really want it and they're cheaper. Now, Buyma does not always have cheaper prices, but they do have reasonable prices, especially for collector's items and popular bags that are no longer available on the brand's website. Speaking of Louis Vuitton, I have a new package from Buyma. I was kind of sketchy at first to trust luxury websites outside of like Saks and the main brands because you just never know what you may get. But Buyma is a marketplace and it's basically like a big eBay, okay? Personal shoppers are there to source things for you. So I was looking for this Louis Vuitton product in Chicago and I could not find it. So Buyma is like the perfect place for when you have like older items or collective items that are very popular, but you can no longer find them in stores. So on their website, you can connect with their sellers from multiple countries, and the prices just depend on what countries the seller is in and also where you are when they ship to you. It's a really easy process. You just find a seller and then you place your order, and the personal shopper basically buys and ships it directly to you. Most items are sourced anyway, so I do recommend you to ask them what their availability is, but most likely it'll be in stock. The personal shoppers are located in several different countries, as I mentioned, so the custom duty is going to be depending on where you're located and where they're located also. And they always have seasonal sales and promotions. So, you know, when you sign up, they have newsletters and everything like that. So like I said, some of these items are actually going to be more reasonably priced than other places. And they have a zero tolerance for fake bags. They have a zero tolerance for fake bags and fake inventory, period. They authenticate everything for you, so you don't have to worry about buying something fake. And if something is like kind of off, like as far as the color, maybe you thought that your purchase was a different color and the item is significantly different than what you ordered, then they will arrange returns and exchanges. But of course, typically they don't do returns and exchanges. I just happened to browse a few of the Louis Vuitton sections of a few sellers and I found this item. They do accept PayPal. I think I paid with my PayPal account with my debit card attached to it, so you don't have to worry about getting scammed or anything like that. As soon as I made my purchase, the seller gave me my details and everything I needed to know. So overall, I will be honest, this package came so fast. Like the seller was not playing any games, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got. So this is the belt. Very nice leather quality. And I like that it's the perfect size for me. So the belt is a size 30. This is the imprint inside of it. Yeah, but love the purchase, of course. And I can't believe that Buyma is just so legit. So yes, please go ahead and shop with them in the descriptions box, and the links will be there as well. So this is my first purchase with Buyma. I must say that it has been a wonderful experience and I will be purchasing again. Hopefully in the future, okay, as my coins come back. Yes, because I definitely spent a penny on this one. Okay, but it's worth it because I could not find it anywhere, and it is what it is. Now I have a belt. Next, I have the Gucci. But yeah, so anyway, I got this is a perfect birthday gift. This is actually, Yeah. This is the Dionysus. I believe that's how you say it. The Gucci Dionysus bag. There's nothing in it, so it's kind of flat right now. But I got it in beige. This is their mini. I've already double hooped the chain link just so it can be shorter because I've actually worn it. But yeah, I just want to show you guys the bag. I'm going to do a thorough review on my other channel, my fashion channel. So yeah, after you leave here, maybe head over there. But this is just a classic bag. I didn't want the regular print, well, the monogram, because I just felt like it was just so busy. Everybody has it, but I may end up getting it anyway. But I like this one. It's beige. It goes with everything, and it's cute. Look at it. It's cute. They're just nice for evening and, you know, little cute outings. So I said, let me go ahead and get this beige one. I didn't have a beige bag at first, not a small one. And so I said, well, let me get ivory. I actually thought it was going to be white. Let me tell you the truth. I thought it was going to be white, and it wasn't. It was like a beige ivory. Next, from Cartier, I got the Cartier bracelet. I'm going to show you guys all the packaging, everything like that, and I'll actually like do a thorough review, maybe. No, I'm not, because I ain't trying to get robbed. So this is the love bracelet. Everyone loves the Cartier love bracelets. I like saying Cartier because it's French, like, so they say. So I have actually worn this before, and so this is just not the total unboxing, but this is the love bracelet. We're just gonna pretend like this is the first time you've seen it. It comes with a little lock that you can lock it on, but honestly, I don't like to lock mine because I'm single. Like, the love bracelet was for people who are like together, like couples. So I just wear it like this because I don't want to like ever not be able to unlock it, if that makes sense. But if you don't want to get robbed, like, be careful where you wear this. So this is the love bracelet. It is very classic. This is a smaller one. This is a thinner bracelet. This isn't the real thick one because my arm is so skinny. I feel like I don't deserve the thick one because it's just gonna fall down. Like, it's just not cute. But this one is more dainty and it fits better. I think this is a size. Did I get the 16? I believe this is the 16. But it kind of fits. You know, it doesn't do too much moving. It's cute or whatever. But I love it. This is like a birthday gift for myself. So I can say I'm a Cartier girl. Cartier girl. No, I just love when people say Cartier. I used to say Cartier. People from Detroit still say Cartier glasses, but it's Cartier. Or some people say Cartier. No, ma'am, that's still wrong. It's Cartier. So I bought some Chanel earrings. More. Yes, I did. I said I wouldn't, but okay. It is what it is, girl. So anyway, I keep them all together because I travel a lot. And I like to keep all of them together when I take my Instagram pictures. Don't tell nobody because now I ain't trying to get robbed now. But that's what I do. Because, yeah. So I don't feel like carrying several Chanel boxes. That makes zero sense. So I just put them in one. So these are the two that I just purchased. I'm going to put them on the bag. Alright, so in my last birthday haul that I did, my last luxury haul that I did, I showed you guys my first two pairs of Chanel earrings. So these are the pearls. These are the pearl earrings that I just purchased. They are so cute and dainty, and they go so well with my outfits. I'm like, yes, especially with like up hairdos. Like, oh yes, very fabulous. These are my go-to earrings, my everyday earrings. These are the small studs, the CC studs. They're not as small as the silver ones that I have, but no, but they are super cute. Can you guys see those? All right, yeah, super cute, and they have the gold trim, but the inside is like a silver in a way, so they're kind of like white gold. Nothing too flashy, but I love them. So I finally have the Chanel 19. This bag is so nice. It feels like butter. I'm going to review this bag on my fashion channel, but I just wanted to show you guys the Chanel. Very nice bag. You see the actual size of it. It's actually the same size as the classic flap. The Chanel classic flap. The small. Even though to me this is small, this is more like medium. But it's big enough to be a medium, I guess. But to me it just looks like a small bag. But like I said, I like the medium. I like the mini bags. Like I had the Gucci one. I'm more of a mini bag girl, so I like the mini Gucci bags and the mini Chanel bags, mini Dior bags. But this one is the smallest size that they have for the Chanel 19, and I was kind of intimidated because they do have a larger one, and I thought it would be like too bulky to be like wearing on my shoulder, or too bulky to like wear as like a, you know, what do you call them? Not shoulder bag, but a handbag. But it's actually a nice size. It's literally the same size as the classic flap in the small. So yes, make sure you check out my video for when I have the full review, because it is worth it. So moving on to some beauty products I got. So I got the new Kosas Dream Revealer or Skin Improving Foundation. And I also got the Kosas Cloud Set Baking Powder, or actually baking setting powder and smoothing powder. These are everything. I've been wearing the foundation and I love wearing the powder. I'm not wearing them right now, but trust me, I have a full review coming soon. This is one of my new favorite foundations, especially for the summer. Okay? I know some people are going to be like, this isn't luxury. Well, to me it is. Okay, it was like $40 for foundation. I understand that there are some foundations that are like $17, $18, which I do have, like the Pat McGrath, but okay, it's a luxury to be able to have $40 to spend on a foundation. Amen. Okay, so yes, this is the Kosas, and I'm excited about it. Nice glass bottle. I'm like, ooh, a frosted bottle. Not sure if it's real glass, but it's frosted. But yes, I'm excited to do the review and show you guys this foundation. I love the fact that it has niacinamide in it, no toxic products in it, and it also has sunscreen. It's like the best of all worlds. Medium coverage. It's everything. And this powder, they finally have multiple colors for women of color. Yes, with no talc. Yes, because we don't like breast cancer, do we? No. So I was here for this. Had to buy them both. And I do have the concealer. I'm actually wearing the Kosas concealer, which is crazy because I didn't use the powder, but it is what it is. Anyway, last but not least, so I also picked up the Fashion Fair. Now this is Black luxury to me. Fashion Fair was like the first makeup company that catered to Black women and women of color. So I'm always going to rep them, and their packaging is luxe. It's giving luxury to me. That's what it's giving. Okay. So yeah, gold packaging is giving luxury. So this is one that I would keep just for like in my purse. Like if I need to touch myself up throughout the day, or you out on a date or whatever, you know, you always want to look pretty no matter where you are. So this is perfect for that. Has a lot of products in it, and I just love the packaging. The quality is good too, of course, but I just wanted to support Fashion Fair because they had gone out of business, I thought. But they're back now, and they're at Sephora. So, they're also on their own site if you want to shop there. I'll have all of the links in the description box where you can find these items, and hopefully for a little bit cheaper, where you can get like a discount or something like that. I'll try to link that in there too. That wraps up my video. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you guys check them out in the descriptions box.